So full disclosure, I was partway through the cutting process and I was trying to be very precise to make sure the eggplant was going to be thin enough. And I thought maybe I should video this, but I don't have Alex here to help me, so I'm doing it by myself. And I first thought, well, maybe I should hurry up because I don't want this to turn color, because you know it starts to turn color. And then I realized eggplant always turns color, so what really difference does it make? But what I'm trying to do is cut it thin, but not like that. So let's try again. And for those who know me, you know I don't like eggplant at all. But I realized if I was going to do 52 recipes in 52 weeks, I couldn't just do pasta, French, seafood, which I love. I wanted to try to do something different, which was not that. And I wanted to do things from not only around the world, but through all different time periods. So you're going to be seeing something that's done from the Revolutionary War. We're going to go all around the world. This obviously is Indian cuisine. And also, this chef was on the Kelly Clarkson show, and I wanted to honor her by making something from her cookbook, since she came on and did something in the show. But I will tell you, this is not going to cut it. I'm supposed to need 8. I have 5. I have this much still to go. I know most of you who actually know how to cook and know how to cut eggplant would be excited to be here and show me how to do it right. I was actually thinking of using a mandolin, but I thought it might be too big for a mandolin. And also, as embarrassing as this is, this might be a little bit more entertaining for all of you.